what day it is. I don't know what day it is. Oh, my eyes. Oh, my eyes. So much dust. So much dust. So we have Master Packer here. This is the worst box for you to he's the mastermind behind the packing. Cause remember I showed you guys the pile? Let me move this box thing out. So the more boxes that we fill up, the more unorganized this little area looks. So what he does is that he comes in and makes sure that all the boxes are reinforced. And this box Maddie destroyed over time. So he's making sure that it's reinsured from this little one. And we're getting ready to clean the carpet. Well, I'm going to clean the carpet because it's like so disgusting and we still live here. So the moving is going good. Those are all the empty boxes that we still have left. I really think we need more, but my husband is like, we're just going to use... He's like, we're just going to use trash bag if we run out of boxes. Right, honey? Yeah. So, that's the plan. I really don't want to use trash bag because that's just like...
What's going to be left? Clothes.
Who uses trash bags anymore to move? Like, is that a thing? Like, if you use trash bag to move, comment down below. Let me know if that's like ridiculous or not. But I'm not putting my stuff in nobody's trash bag. We really can't do anything because we have all the kids this weekend, so we can't go anywhere. Oh, I want to go by the house, but I don't know.
We're going tomorrow.
Oh, we go tomorrow. Yeah, so we're just packing. That's just our life. I'm still on the cleanse. Today is day 6. Today is day 6. And I didn't lose any weight today. I woke up, I'm still the same 10 pounds. I didn't lose any weight today, which is perfectly fine because
mine's too, and everybody
kind of would be weird if I was losing that much weight so fast. But it's going good. My face, my skin looks amazing. Like, I washed it this morning and I was like, I'm glowing, you know. I still have to get rid of the dark spots and stuff on my face. If you guys can see, I gotta get rid of the dark spot and stuff on my face, but my skin looks so good and I'm not breaking out anymore. Maddie! She's a mess. We almost had a little freak accident with her this morning here. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next clip. What do you want? What do you need? What do you need? Try them. In the leg. Hi guys. Say good morning. Good morning. Don't stop with the fussing. Good morning. No, come. What do you need? What do you need? What do you need? You can't show my little pooch. My poochy pooch. No, they don't want to see that. They don't want to see that. Nobody wants to see that. No, don't do that. Show me nose. Show me your nose.
Nothing more fits in that box?
Show me nose. Why being a bride?
Nothing more than fit in that box?
Show me nose. Show me your nose.
Did you? That only means that the
Show me your
only
nose.
toys that are going to be out that are his
Show me your nose.
are the big toys he wants
Maddie.
to play with currently.
Maddie. Leave him. Leave him.
Okay,
No, his.
so this bike
Daddy said it.
Okay, take it out of his mouth. Show me your nose. Show me your nose.
Okay, are you keeping me down or what are you doing?
Show me your nose. Show me your eyes.
Crap, too many small things.
Show me your nose.
What's in this box? What's in this? There's too many.
Show me your eye.
There's too much crap.
Eye. Show me your mouth. Mouth. Good girl. Show me. Yay. Good girl. Show me your ears. Good girl. Yay. Show me your head. Good girl.
If you don't figure out where this is going, how you
Show me your head.
your room over there? He's just gonna throw everything
Head.
out again?
Okay, he's messing with you. Juju, go away. Show me your head.
All that can go in a box.
Okay, Jordan. Show me your
What I
head.
can tell you to do is go
Head.
into the box.
Show me your nose.
And put all the kitchen crap
Show me. Yay! Show me your nose.
with the box shut there. You can put it out of the box.
Show me your mouth. Okay.
Take it.
That's enough? Yeah.
You understand?
Okay.
Do you want me to do it now?
Put it over there.
Oh, thank you. That was really nice of you.
I'm gonna do some.
That was really nice of you to make my bed.
You're still also we did it together.
No, you didn't. You're such a liar.
There's little tiny pieces of. So, I am going to clean my room. Well, it's not that bad. See? Not that bad. Just a little bit. But I am going to be cleaning my room. So, you can join us if you want. How are they going to join us? They can watch us clean up. Oh, I know. My grandma is here, so we need to clean up our room. Mm-hmm. I don't share a room with them. I'm just getting all the clothes from here. Okay, so I'm just cleaning up my room. I don't know what to do though, but except for cleaning up my room. So I'm going to go. I'm going to give it to mommy. No.
Good morning, folks. Today is, I don't know what day it is. I need to stop trying to figure out what day it is. We're about to go up to the house. Good morning, princess.
Good morning, sunshine.
Oh. What's your shirt say?
Best daughter
Right.
ever.
Best who?
Daughter ever.
Daughter? Oh, you are. Say good morning, princess. Say good morning. Good morning. Say good morning.
Don't bring nothing for her.
Yeah.
Water.
I'm about to get it together, Mabel. I'm about to get it together. Oh. It only takes a...
Let's go.
Say good morning.
Hello, people. Good morning.
Oh. So we're about to go. I need to get Maddie's bag together. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I love when hubby throw down in the kitchen. What are you cooking, Papa? Oh, my bad, my bad. Oh, oh, don't burn me. I'm making my famous rice and peas for my mother-in-law. She's here, you know. Gotta do it up for the mother-in-law. What? But anywho,
I haven't talked to the camera in a while.
you want to vlog?
Last week, Friday, Sean said, hey, Roberto.
What are you talking about? You always randomly talking to me. What are you talking about?
He said, I got somebody, we hired somebody, I got you training them, that's okay? I said, yeah, that's fine. Everywhere I go, I'm always,
What are you talking about, husband? What's up, JJ? What are you doing? Now I'm gonna pretend like I didn't hear that. What's up, peeps? My hair's looking all bad and stuff, you know. We're just gonna pretend like it's not there, you know what I mean? Like, just pretend like there's nothing on my head. We're back from the house. We didn't even do anything there. I don't know how we went there. But of course, we have to go down there and check on it every single week. It's a drive. And it costs a lot of money to go down there. But, you know what I mean, we noticed that the garage door was dent. So, we emailed our PM and told him, you know, hey dude, the garage door is dent. And even though the house is not done building, it's unacceptable. We're not going to accept that. We're not going to accept a dent door because we're paying for a brand new house, not a used, you know, house or something like that. But you don't want to hear about my problems with, you know, buying a house or building a house, whatever. My husband decided now that he wants to pack, clean, whatever he wants to do on a Sunday. And I'm just like, hey, dude, I want to relax. He's like, you relax every single day, Janice. What's up with my hair? Juju is in the way.
there's a hole outside here. No.
Say something. Say something. Go ahead, say something. I know you want to say something. Go, sir. Go.
My brother forgot her.
Oh, look at you. Oh, have a moment of silence. Go ahead.
She forgot her vegetable sticks. Nothing, baby. She didn't forget it.
We're going to have a moment of silence because your mommy forgot her veggie sticks.
Now she wants her veggie sticks to eat.
You can go be a good son and go over there. Daddy want to know what you're doing. Your whole big head is in the frame. They're getting so tall. Like, they're getting to be young men now.
That powder is going to taste like crap, dude.
What are you doing, young lady? What are you doing? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, Maddie? Where you going? Where you going? Say hi. What are you doing? Daddy, have you doing something too?
Yeah.
What is he? What is he? What are you doing? Your room?
Not that bad.
It's not that bad, huh? We never want to come in Destiny's room. It's always a junk.
No, it's not.
It's always junky in here. Leah, get down. Oh my word. I can't wait to not have bunk beds anymore. Hazard for a toddler.
Mommy.
You have something to say, Jordan?
Is me and Jesus still having a bunk bed?
I don't know. Ask your dad. Let's see what he says.
Are we still gonna have a bunk bed in the new house?
No. You said, are you going to?
Yeah.
What's up? What's his name? What's his name? What do we call him? Will Ferrell. Will Ferrell. Hi, Will Ferrell. Anyways, guys, that's it for our Sunday. We're not doing anything else here. Just a bunch of kids running around. What? Yeah, Breton. That house is so noisy. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I don't know what I did. I don't know. So kind of weird.
Come on, Brandon. Come on.
Come on, Bretton.
Towels and stuff. You put them in there?
Alright.
Everything in the bathroom. You put it in there.
They're coming soon.
Come on, JJ. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get those chores done. Come on. Come on. What are you supposed to be doing? What's this child supposed to be doing? You can't just have a free child. This one is free, Daddy. Come on. Jackson, you need to be doing something. Yep, got him. Juju, what are you supposed to be doing, Juju? Babe, what is the dog supposed to be doing? The dog is free. The dog is free. Oh, he wants a belly rub. Oh. Okay. We need to find another child. Honey, this one is free. Another free child. Oh no, it's not free, it's the same child. Let's see. There's no more free children, honey. What are you doing? You have a free husband. What are you doing? You look free.
You need to post a picture of that animal somewhere on there so people can be like, what the hell is that?
I don't need to do anything, Albornoz. Mr. Roberto. My king. Am I your queen? Tell me I'm your queen. Yeah. Say it.
You know it.
Say it.
Oh,
today?
Yeah. Like right now.
go dog. Go.
Okay, people, I gotta go clean out the refrigerator. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye, guys.